Hi.
It's our most wonderful line of the year. Celebrate the holidays.
You're Josh, your man's big. I'll get you.
For around $1.99 per month.
Bad Nick. She's right involved in that.
I tried. I'll try one more time. You can't step on the bed. I can't give you all. Yeah, get off the bed now. Please stay on the bed. You can't hop on the bed with me.
Why?
Because that's cheating.
How is that cheating? You're on the bed.
You gotta turn around. Now you see that. I think we got that on camera on video.